This is the drone. I'll take the hit the power. And then, so this is the remote. Hard to do two things at once, but see, I got this red, and I click on that. It says to connect to aircraft. So let's put this here. I'll turn this on again. All right. Turn this on again. Hold this for 4 seconds. 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004. Okay. 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004. Okay, so I might turn it over here. It looks like it's flashing yellow to me. Okay, so this thing connect air traffic and try again. And then this says, so I'm not really sure. It's kind of confusing. Still yellow. And I've connected to this machine, but it powers down. So this one has the assistant from Mavic, and if I can try to plug it in here. So it's plugged in there now. And then this software just wants to download photos. Well, at least that's what it wants to do anyway, but I can cancel out of that. So that's where I'm at.